PSA World Tour is the global governing body responsible for the administration of men's and women's professional squash. The tour goes everywhere, all over the globe, from all four corners and every continent. Having broadcast quality content and being able to produce broadcast quality content ourselves via Squash TV, our own channel, I think is an integral part of what we're trying to achieve as an association. Being able to put that out there on major networks and across social media and everything else is a vital fabric in terms of what we want to do long term and the ambitions of the tour. Having the replay system in place where you can instantly cut to 3 or 4 different angles, have everything ready at the click of a button, helps with the entire broadcast, whether that's for video reviews when it comes to a really tense decision and adding to the drama and the theatre of the spectacle, to showing off the skill of the players when they've had a ridiculous shot. Being able to cut to a system that works, is flawless and that sort of helps produce the entire broadcast and enhance everything is just vital to what we do.
With Squash TV, we're trying to get across how dynamic the sport is, give the viewer the best seat in the house, get as close to the action as we can, try to use technology to illustrate how technical and athletic the game is. We chose the 3-play because it's cost effective, it's robust and its footprint is really small for a flyaway solution like this.
One of the advantages of the 3-play is how quick it is at bringing replays up. To be able to mark it, cue it and play it very quickly is a great advantage for us. One of the useful features is the ability to create playlists. These are quick and easy to do and it's very convenient for us then to be able to play out highlights at the end of games. The 3-play has directly influenced the sport because it's led to the introduction of a video review system. When the players call for a review, which is when they disagree with the referee's decision, we have a 4th official sat next to the replay machine who gets to review different angles and then they make a decision on the play. One of the important qualities that the 3-play brings is value for money. It's allowed us to increase the production value not only for the World Series events but some of the smaller events that we do where budgets are tight, but just having slow-mo replays makes a massive difference not only for the spectators but for the product that we have streaming.